Honda Civic Type R Red Carbon Kit is plenty sporty. Tough in many ways. Honda Civic Type R and Civic C are plenty sporty and flashy from the factory. Honda has now revealed a few ways to make both cars flashier and sportier. Honda even gave the Fit some love. All this upgrade love comes in the form of accessory kits, including the Red Carbon Kit for the Type R and HFP series kits for Civic and Fit. The Red Carbon Kit is pretty much what you would expect. It's a complete complement of carbon fiber parts consisting of door mirror covers, rear wing spoiler, and interior parts for dressing up the look of Honda's hottest hatch. What makes them special is a red fiber woven into the carbon. It also comes with a few non-carbon bits, such as a red leather shift knob, illuminated center console, our logo sill plates, and an indoor car cover. Parts not included with the kit are the red grille treatment and white wheels seen on the car above. The complete kit costs $2,697.